So I'm standing here right now outside of the Toronto Railway Museum, and here's some interesting history on car porters. How the majority of them were black Canadians, and back in the day this was the only stable job they could really get. But because of the stable revenue they were receiving, they were able to create a movement to help push for equality. Yeah, and the Toronto Railway Museum is located here in downtown Toronto, in the heart of Toronto. There's also a show about the porters you can check out on CBC Gem called The Porter, and it's also available on Netflix. Yeah, let's take a look around for a bit. An old GO train. And there's the old station, which is now a gift shop. I used to do volunteering here. Did a lot of tour guiding and cataloging. Yeah, what I like about this area is that they had a sketch shot here from the Royal Canadian Air Force. I'll pull it up here.
You know, in 2011, there's a 3% chance that Lindsay Lohan won't go to jail. Really? In 2011, there's also a 5.8% chance that Charlie Sheen won't get caught destroying a hotel room with a hooker, a donkey, and a dwarf. You know, next year, there's a 0.00006% chance that Mel Gibson will win the B'nai B'rith Award. There's also a 90% chance that Randy Quaid is going to get attacked by Star Whackers.
Yeah, pretty funny.
Wait. Family drama going on.
It's also available. Here's the Steam Whistle Brewery. They got great beer and great cuisine. Maybe we'll get a tour of them one day. This is used in Toronto's wartime economy. And the roundhouse, this is like Thomas the Tank Engine. And there's more inside, but it's closed off today. CN Tower. And a very nice mural they got here as well. So yeah, like and subscribe. Check out that Airfar sketch. And also be sure to check out the show The Porter. It says here it's available on CBC Gem, Netflix, if you live here in Canada, and also available to buy off Apple TV and YouTube. All right, stay tuned for more adventures in downtown Toronto and other parts of the world.